Clairvoyance Tech Innovations presents Clairo Talentia. Everyone in this world is blessed with some talent, but no one will ever recognize or realize it. We are here to present your talent to millions of people out there. A clock that doesn't work will also show correct time at some part of the day. At the same time, people who think that they don't have any talent in them will also be gifted with some hidden talent. We are here to identify, improve, and present your talent to the world. Do you wonder how to identify what you're good at? Then the thing you never know is that your daily hobbies can even be a talent. Singing, dancing, writing, or any other hobby can be a skill and talent. Even a project that you prepare for your science fair, which is really unique from others, can also be a talent. If someone appreciates you for something, then that might be your hidden skill. Talents might not necessarily be professional. We will also present the small and regular things you do which is unique from others. Don't hide your talents. They are made to explore yourself and set an example to the world. Let us educate the world by presenting your talent. Let everyone recognize you for what you are. Create an identity for yourself. We will make you shine like a bright star. All you have to do is to send a picture or a video of your talent and send your details as well to clairvoyance269@gmail.com. Don't hesitate. Contact us immediately.